This lighting is doing magnificent things for these under eye circles. What's up, YouTube? So today I wanted to do a get ready with me. Just a really simple, easy look. I'm not gonna wear a lot of makeup today, just kind of running some errands, doing all the things, which means going to Target, getting coffee, you know, the usual. We're gonna do something with these brows, cover up some under eye circles, and look like a human today, hopefully. So I already did my skincare routine. If you guys want to see that, it's really simple, but I can do that later for you guys. I am first just gonna add my sunscreen on to my face. This is the Neutrogena Clear Face. It's the SPF 55. I try to wear sunscreen every single day. I usually like sunscreen that's like more of like a medical grade, but I just happened to run out. So just gonna put this all over my face. This one does have some salicylic acid in it, so I really try to avoid my eye area because I have gotten it in my eyes before. Not a good time, not a good time. And then I'll go ahead and grab some more for my neck and my ears. And even if the makeup that you use has SPF in it already, I still recommend putting that first layer of SPF on before any makeup, just so you're double protected. And then I always finish off with my hands. So I accidentally shaved off the top half of this eyebrow. Am I sad about it? Yeah. Am I surprised? No, not at all. So we're gonna try to make these look a little bit more similar, but right now they look like distant 8th cousins, you know, like not twins, not sisters, like very distant cousins. So I'm taking the Anastasia dark brown brow powder duo, and it just looks like this. It's just like a lighter shade, a darker shade. This brush is just like an angled, let me see if you can see it, just like an angled, just like an angled brush. I usually start out with the light color and just very lightly fill in the bottom, just like to create that line, and then just like lightly feather it through the front. And then since like it's very sparse up here, I don't know if you guys can really see it, but like I'm definitely missing like half of the top of my eyebrow. It's fine. We're not worried. It's fine. But I'm just gonna kind of take that darker shade and fill it in, kind of brushing upward, just so that it looks like there's something more than is actually there. And then I'm just gonna take like a spoolie and just kind of brush it through so it looks a little bit more natural and not as like outlined, especially that end where we're needing some extra coverage here because anyways, perfect, done. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Do they look the same? No. Am I losing sleep over it? No. I'm fine. It's fine. This is a Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade 10 Fair. I'm just gonna put just a tiny bit under my eyes like this. And then I just have like a damp sponge beauty blender here and just really lightly dab that in. And I have really veiny eyelids too, so I kind of just drag that to the top. Voila. I like to use a beauty blender because I feel like it maintains like a little bit of moisture when it's blending in, so it doesn't get into like any creased lines. And I don't like the look of like completely bright under eyes. I still, like, you can definitely still see like the color shining through. That doesn't really bother me. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast in black, and it's like, oh, it's Lash Blast Lash Blast Fusion, so. On a daily basis, I don't usually wear eyeshadow, or depending on if I have a spray tan, I'll usually use some bronzer and then like a rosy blush just to make the appearance of like sun. Even though we all know I'm not getting any sun, but I'm just wearing like an oversized sweatshirt today, so you can't really tell if the rest of my body's tan, so not worried about it. So I'll usually go in with like one more coat. I don't know if you can kind of see. So that's pretty much all I would do on a normal day. I usually would finish off with some SPF on my lips, so either like a chapstick with SPF or like some sort of like lip gloss with SPF in it. I will definitely show you guys another tutorial where like I'm actually really putting in some effort with like face makeup, but this is pretty much a normal, like my go-to every day. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my outfit and let's go. Okay, so this is my outfit for the day. These jeans are the wedgie fit, I believe, from Levi. And yeah, they're actually my favorite jeans right now. I usually don't wear the kind of jeans that are like looser at the bottom. They don't have that like tight, skinny look. But I've really been liking these lately. And this is just a sweatshirt that I cut from Randy Melville. I know what you're thinking, it's summer, why are you wearing a giant sweatshirt? But you know what? You do you, I'm doing me. So this is the look. And yeah, let me see if I can get what my makeup looks in like better lighting. There's my face. Can you see where I'm missing an eyebrow? No, maybe. Oh, yep. Growing back, barely. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you later.